Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to my channel. On the last video I showed you guys my new paint job. Check it out. Got the car right here. I just got back from my local paint shop. Check out what I got. Got some sanding paper, and I got a interface pad for the DA. So I'm gonna sand it down with this, and then we're gonna buff it. This one goes right here. And I got myself a coffee. The homie Christian didn't work today, so he's on the way. He's gonna try to help me out. But check it out, broskies. I did one fender already, and man, this shit looks beautiful. You guys see it? Compared to this, you guys remember the whole side looked like this. So see or no? And then I started sanding it down right here, but we're gonna do it with the DA. But check it out, this thing looks beautiful, and I still haven't polished it yet. That's just compound, so it's gonna look freaking amazing, guys. It is a lot of work though. Look, no mama's way. There you guys have it. I'm gonna get to work, guys, because like I said, I can't roll around like this. It's gotta look good, you know. I gotta show you guys something else that I got. So I don't have it right here, it's in the garage. Let me open it up. So check it out, broskies. Earlier on the week I picked up a 350Z for the junkyard, and check it out, it had the A-pillars. So this one's for Angel, since he doesn't have his. Whoops. Check it out, he doesn't have the driver's side, and I'm missing the passenger side, which I have it over here. I don't want to mess it up until I paint it. So we good, broskies. We're finally gonna have an A-pillar on that side. And then what else? And then I got the moldings and all that stuff. And then I'm also gonna try to paint the door jambs once I'm done buffing the whole car. But check it out, looks killer. I think it looks good, no? Sick. I don't know how I feel about the red on the headlights, but probably later on I'm gonna order some new lenses, and then we'll paint those black or something, or a different color. Even my calipers. But I don't know, kind of looks good, no? Black with red or no? We'll see though. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna get to work, guys. I'm gonna sand down the whole side, and then we're gonna see how it comes out. But here's another shot, just so we can compare it. Check out this chorreada right here, making my 350Z great again. Chingon. Alright, update. This shit worked. So check out the fender, and then check out the door. Sick. But I'm gonna go get some I was doing it with the 2000 grit. I think I'm gonna try a 1500, because that shit was really slow. It took me a long time. But yeah, check out the door though. Ooh, check out that reflection. Damn. So still gotta do this fender. Check out the fender and then the door. You can see it right away. Hell yeah. Alright, broskies, I'm happy. So check it out, putting in work. But like I said, I'm gonna go get some 1500 so I can do it faster, and then we'll speed up the process. Alright, broskies, we got something in the mail. Let's go outside and open it up. Ah, chingao. What's going on? What's going on right here? A ver, Luis, ¿qué andas haciendo hoy? What you cooking?
We're burning some meat right now.
Oh, chingón.
but you're
Check it
not
out.
in the 2019 Nissan Kicks that can help keep you on track without missing a beat. Experience it today. Shop ChooseNissan.com.
This is the one I was waiting for, and this one. So the blue one, the black one, and this one. All right, check it out. Some progress. Check out that trunk though. Damn. The whole trunk is done. Alright broski, so I finally decided that I think I'm just gonna repaint the whole car. This is why. So when I buffed the trunk and basically the whole driver's side, I was doing this silver fender at night, and check out what happened. Valió madre right here. The silver fender came out like shit, and then the door. Remember the whole drip I had right here? You can't really tell, but when the sun hits it, you can see it looks really bad. So I was thinking of repainting the door, the over fender, and then right here, check it out. When I was buffing it, I think I went too much, and then you can see a little bit of the red. I mean, all this is fixable with a little touch up, but I don't know, broskis. Look, even right here too, I fucked up right here. You can see a little bit of the red, and then what else? Other than that, the rest is good. This side is alright, but I mean, you can see the streak marks. I don't like that shit, broski. So like I said, I think I'm just gonna repaint the whole car, and I'm gonna throw more flakes on it, just a little bit more. So I'm sorry guys. Yeah, we're gonna repaint it. Fuck it. So this whole week I'm gonna start sanding it down. I'm gonna prep it, and then Sunday we'll take it to the homies again, and then we'll do it again. And this time I want to buy some better clear, and I'm gonna try to find a better nozzle. That way I can lay the flakes better, so it can be even, and then we'll throw a little bit more. Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this wheel, and then I have the driver's side wheel somewhere in the garage. I'm gonna take them to my boys from 3-Piece Wheels and get the inner barrels fixed. They are really beat up. Check it out. You guys remember, this is not round anymore. It's basically a square. So let's get them fixed. And then I believe this inner barrel is like a 5.5. I think we're gonna get 4-inch inner barrels. So those 4-inch inner barrels are gonna help out with clearance, and hopefully we can get some reverse entries, you know? Hell yeah. So I'm just gonna take them off and then put them in the car. Alright broskis, we're here at Tire MD, my homie's new shop. They're right here in Baldwin Park, so if you guys want to check them out, ask for David. What's up, man? Check that shit out. Check out that wheel though. Putazote right there. Hey, that other one's not that bad. You got that one bed. Yeah. Hell yeah, shout out to Tire MD. The homies. Alright, let's take them to 3-Piece Wheels, get them fixed. Alright broski, so I just dropped off my wheels here at 3-Piece. Check it out. They got all the goodies right there. So let's go home and then I guess start sanding down the car. ¿Por qué lloras, güey? So basically, one of you guys said, hey broski, you should paint your car in your garage, they come out better. And I was just like thinking about it. I'm like, fuck, maybe he's right, you know. So I'm gonna listen to you guys, and I'm just gonna do it here in my garage. I do have the troquita in there, so probably today, later tonight or tomorrow, I'm gonna start putting the front suspension on, just so I can roll it out, and we'll pull it out, we'll clean the garage, and then we'll make some room for the 350. But yeah, broskies, what do you guys think? Also, let me know down in the comments if I should just try a silver flake or a smaller flake or a smaller gold flake. But I don't know. I'm gonna put my homie Daniel's IS300, the one with all the flakes, and let me know if you guys want me to do it like that, like that many flakes, you know, like, cause mine, when I painted it, I think I didn't throw enough flakes. But like I said, check out this picture and let me know. Maybe I'll do it like that, or should I just try some other thing, you know? Might as well, you know, I'm already gonna paint it, I'm already gonna repaint it, so might as well just try something else. But please hit that like button and subscribe if you are new, and other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one, broskies. Peace out.